Hello everyone, my name is Marita Jakusuma and now I will present you about computer and hardware. Meaning of computer. A computer is electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has ability to store, retrieve, and process data. Computers are designed to run applications and provide various solutions through integrated hardware and software components. Storage device. Storage device is device that has a functions to store various types of data from a processing result on computer device. Storage devices are able to store various types of data created on computer in the form of image, document, videos, and so on. An output device. Input device is an input unit or input device. But if you want to elaborate further, then the computer input device is an input device that is on the computer unit. With the way it works, in the form of giving commands directly to produce digital information to the user. Output device. Meanwhile, the computer output device is the opposite, namely the output unit. This means that device will display the result of data processing or command that have been carried out by the CPU. CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is the main part of the computer that carries out specific tasks so that your device can run according to the command entered. Its special task is to process data retrieved from your other component, such as memory, operating system, application program, and so on. The data is processed using arithmetical and logical principles that are mathematically accurate, thus making the result of the operation precise. Versus ROM. RAM is a type of memory that only stores data temporarily. RAM is used to store data and program instructions that are being run by a computer system or other device. Large RAM capacity allows a device to run a multiple application or process at once without feeling slow. On the other hand, is a type of memory that is permanent. ROM store data or instructions that cannot be easily changed or deleted by the user. Usually, ROM contain basic information that the device needs to start the booting process, such as firmware. Is a type of memory that only stores data temporarily. RAM is used to store data and program instructions that are being run by a computer system or other device. RAM Motherboard is the main circuit board inside the computer. The motherboard is a component that has the main task of distributing electricity and facilitating communication between computer device or peripheral device. Power supply. Simply put, a power supply is a component that supplies power to one or even more electrical boards. So, these power supplies are designed to convert several different forms of energy, such as solar, mechanical, chemical, and electrical energy. In computer and the electronic device, the power supply is an important component. If there is no power supply, the device used can function properly. To access this power supply, you can look at the cable used to transfer energy to the device. Types of computer. Types of computer: 1. Personal computer, PC or laptop, server, for network service, workstation, high specification, graphic design. Choose hardware according to your needs. Choosing the right computer component start with understanding your intended use. If it's for gaming or graphic design, prioritize a fast processor and dedicated graphic card. For office work, a mid-range processor and 8 to 6 GB of RAM will suffice. Make sure all components are compatible. For example, the motherboard must support the type of processor and RAM selected. Conclusion: hardware is the backbone of computer system. Understanding the component helps optimize use. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.